here we are in overhand. We're gonna sync it up. Then we're gonna tap the butt, underhand, then tap the back to overhand, and split the time. Okay, and now we're gonna do that again. Sync it up, tap the butt, come back, underhand, tap the back, and then back to overhand and split time. And then third set, sync it up, tap the butt, one circle, tap the back to overhand, split time. And then we're gonna do fourth time, sync it up, tap the butt, underhand, tap the back to overhand, split time. Okay, now sync it up one time only, tap the butt so that you come out underhand and then go into an underhand buzzsaw. Okay, now we're gonna do the same thing, only this time we'll tap the back, then circle, tap the butt, and then come out underhand. So 5, 6, 7, 8, sync it up, tap the back, one circle, tap the butt, underhand, split the time. 5, 6, 7, 8, sync it up, tap the back, one circle, tap the butt, underhand, and split the time. 5, 6, 7, 8, sync it up, tap the back, one circle, tap the butt, and underhand buzzsaw. 5, 6, 7, 8, sync it up, tap the back, overhand, tap the butt, underhand, and split the time. And now we're gonna release to the side and get it long and make it same time. Now you're just in regular length poi on the side in underhand, and we'll stall, and now you'll be in overhand, and then do split time circles, and then we'll do split time circle big for 4 and 3 and 2 and 1, and then back to small circle. And then we're gonna go big again for 4 and 3 and 2 and 1, and back to small again. And now we're gonna go big for 4, and then we're gonna swivel for 4. So big for 4, 3, 2, 1, now swivel, swivel back, second time, swivel back, third time, swivel back, fourth time, swivel back, make it small. And now we're gonna stall under the leg, come out underhand, and then we're underhand, and then wrap it up, make it small. Then we're gonna bring it into the underhand buzzsaw. Okay, now we're gonna sync it up again and tap the back, one circle, tap the butt, come out underhand, and split the time. We'll split the time, and then we're gonna hit the back, one circle in front, hit the butt, we're back to underhand, and then split the time again. Beautiful. And we'll do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8, sync it up, tap the back, one circle, tap the butt, come out underhand, split the time. 5, 6, 7, 8, sync it up, tap the back, and circle, tap the butt, circle, split the time. And last set like this, we're gonna sync it up, 5, 6, 7, 8, sync it up, tap the back, circle, tap the butt, come out underhand. Now, we'll sync it up one more time, tap the back one time, and come into overhand buzzsaw. And now we'll do the other version. So we'll tap the butt first on this one. 5, 6, 7, 8, sync it up, butt, underhand, back, overhand, and 5, 6, 7, 8, sync it up, tap the butt, and circle, tap the back to overhand buzzsaw, split the time, and 5, 6, 7, 8, sync it up, tap the butt, underhand, tap the back, overhand, split the time, and 5, 6, 7, 8, tap the butt, circle, tap the back to overhand buzzsaw, split the time. Now we're gonna release to the outside, make it long, and let's go big for 4, 3, 2, 1, and back to small. And then let's go big again for 4, 3, 2, 1, and make it small. And this time we'll do 4 big and then 4 swivels, and we'll make it big for 4, 3, 2, 1. Now get ready and swivel. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Back to overhand and make it small. And sync up the timing. And now from here, we're gonna go back into the buzzsaw. So cross and wrap, and we're back where we started. Woo!